Now to the latest on COVID booster shots. Millions of Americans who got the Pfizer vaccine are now eligible to get a third dose.
This morning, the CDC director approved new guidance for booster shots. People who are 65 or older or are at high risk for a severe COVID case should get another dose. Frontline workers who are more likely to be exposed may get a third Pfizer dose 6 months after their second. Today, President Biden said eligible Americans will have free and easy access to booster shots.
The booster shot is free and easily accessible. Booster shots will be available in 80,000 locations, including over 40,000 pharmacies nationwide.
WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner joining us live from StarMed's vaccine clinic to talk about this further. So, Chloe, when can those who are eligible finally get their shots here?
Well, it depends on where you go. Some of the big pharmacy chains are already giving them out, but the Mecklenburg County Health Department, StarMed, and Novant Health will all start giving them out on Monday, and Atrium Health says they'll start scheduling those appointments next week.
Vaccine providers preparing to give a boost in protection to millions of Americans who got the Pfizer shots. CDC Director Rochelle Walensky's approval comes after some mixed messaging and debate over who qualifies.
I'm approaching this decision with an interest in doing what's right for the public health.
A CDC advisory committee voted to recommend a third dose to people 65 and older, those living in long-term care facilities, and adults with underlying medical conditions. The panel voted against including people at higher risk of infection because of where they work. But Walensky overruled that, giving those like healthcare workers, teachers, and grocery store employees the option to get another shot.
You got the Pfizer vaccine in January, February, or March of this year, and you're over 65 years of age, go get the booster. Or if you're have a medical condition like diabetes, or you're a frontline worker like a healthcare worker or a teacher, you can get a free booster now.
Walgreens and CVS have already started giving third shots. The Mecklenburg County Health Department and StarMed will start on Monday. This is only for people who got the 2-dose Pfizer vaccine, but guidance on the other 2 brands will likely come down soon.
I think it's not going to be very long before they figure it out with Moderna and they figure it out with Johnson & Johnson. So people just have to wait in line and trust the process.
For people who live in South Carolina, DHEC also gave the green light, so providers there are ready to give out the boosters too. Best advice, if you're not sure if you qualify, talk to your doctor. Live in Charlotte, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.
I know a lot of folks have been waiting for their boosters, so hopefully this is the moment that they seize.
All right. Thank